types of pollution, and how exposure affects us. What kind of pollution is in the Columbia River at Bonneville Dam? Bonneville Dam is located in the Columbia River about 3 miles west of Cascade Locks, Oregon, and about 40 miles east of Portland, Oregon, and Vancouver, Washington. Bradford Island is one of several islands that are part of the Bonneville Dam complex, owned and operated by the United States Army Corps of Engineers. The U.S. Army Corps' activities resulted in chemical pollution causing contamination across Bradford Island's soil, groundwater, and in the sediment off its shores. Toxic pollutants at the site include heavy metals, pesticides, fossil fuel-related chemicals, and other industrial contaminants like polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. As a result of the decades of dumping toxic pollution in and along the Columbia's shorelines at Bradford Island, resident fish that live in the area near Bonneville Dam all year contain some of the highest levels of cancer-causing PCBs in the country. How does exposure to the pollution affect us? The pollution at Bonneville Dam has the potential to cause a variety of negative health outcomes that can affect multiple organs and systems in the human body, including but not limited to harm to the nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, immune, and reproductive systems. PCBs are of particular concern in this area. PCBs are chemicals that do not break down in the environment and can cause serious negative health effects when consumed. When these PCBs settle into the sediment, they become part of the food chain. Fish consume the PCBs and the contaminants build up in their fatty tissues. When larger fish eat smaller contaminated fish, this concentration can increase or biomagnify as it moves up the food chain, increasing the potential for harm if those fish are consumed by people. When humans eat the contaminated fish, the PCBs can cause a variety of negative health outcomes. PCBs found in river sediments around Bonneville Dam are highly toxic. Once they are in the environment, they do not break down readily. PCBs have also been detected in resident fish and shellfish near the dam. When consumed at high levels, these chemicals can impact people of all ages and may cause a variety of health problems depending on the amount a person is exposed to. PCBs are known to affect learning abilities in children. If a baby or fetus is exposed to high levels of PCBs while developing, the child may have lifelong learning and behavioral problems. PCBs can affect the immune and reproductive systems and thyroid hormones and can cause cancer in people. To put the level of contamination that's been detected at this site into perspective, a safe level for human consumption of fish has been established at 0.57 parts per billion. PCBs in smallmouth bass at Bonneville Dam were found at concentrations as high as 183,000 parts per billion. When you compare that to other Superfund sites across the country, one can see that Bonneville Dam has been found to have the highest concentrations of PCBs in resident fish. Other contaminants at the site also have significant known health and environmental risks. This is a huge problem because of the potential negative health outcomes that can result from exposure to these contaminants, and this contamination has led to a do not eat advisory for resident fish in this area.